curved claws which they use to dig up ground to catch insects. Now these foxes, they eat anything from beetles, worms, they eat scorpions and even snakes. That's right. The ferret fox is the smallest canine species on Earth, which means that even when they are fully grown, they are going to stay this small forever. And looks like these two are ready to head off. Everyone, let us say bye-bye to Foxtrot, the ferret fox together with Alfie. Now, ferret foxes, they are tough because they can survive in an extreme environment, but they are still vulnerable to us humans. You see, they are caught and kept in tiny cages, and then they are sold off into the illegal wildlife pet trade. Now, they are treated like domestic dogs and cats, but they're not meant to be house pets. They are wild animals, and they absolutely deserve a lot more respect.